Good evening, guys. Today's tutorial video is going to be about how to add Hibernate power option to your power menu. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to pull on the notification button. Don't forget to like and comment in the section below. So let's continue with our tutorial. Today's tutorial video, as I said earlier, is going to be about how to add Hibernate to your power option, like the one here. That is what we are going to do. The one here, yes, this one. That is what we are going to do for today's tutorial. So let's move on. You are going to type setting in your search button here. So just type setting, then when you type the settings, you are going to click on the settings here, then toggle up the settings. When you are into the settings, just click system. Then after that, the next thing you have to do is click on power and sleep. So when you click on that, it brings another interface. Then click on additional power setting that is right here. You see, it shows the power option. And what you are going to do here now is click on choose what the power button does. Then click on it. It shows another interface. Then the next thing you have to do is click on change settings that are currently not available. So when you click that, you see now you can edit it here. You can edit your shutdown settings here. So you can click on turn on faster, sleep. Then the Hibernate we are talking about is here. You can click. You are going to activate it if it's not activated. If it's for use those that just buy their system new, it's not going to be there. So that is how you activate it. Then you see, and that is all. So, and when you are done with this, don't forget to click on save changes, because if you not click on save changes and you cancel it, it's not going to save. So you are going to do it over and over again until you save it. So just click on save changes. Then when you click on save changes, close the bar, then close it. Then let's check it out. See, and if you check here, it should be here. So thank you guys. I think you guys learned a new thing today, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.